Hey guys, welcome back. Did you know you can return items on Temo without actually shipping them back? It's possible for certain orders, and it's super simple. Let me show you exactly how to do it. First, open the Temo app and log into your account. Tap the U icon at the bottom menu. Go to your orders and choose the item you want to return. Tap refund or return. Now, if you're eligible, you'll see a message saying you can get a refund without returning the item. If you don't see that message, don't worry, go to the Temu support contact. And from there, send them the order details and a message requesting a refund without return. Temo might approve it, especially if returning the item isn't cost effective for them. So that's how you get a refund without the hassle of shipping items back. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.